Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Marty. We are here on the 16th floor at Rich Royal Indian Curry House. This is at the One Europa condo hotel building, and this is at the top level. We're going to be eating here tonight. It's also our very last night in the Philippines. Tomorrow we are heading just a hop, skip, and a jump right over there to Clark International Airport, where we are going to be getting on a plane and going to Taiwan for a very long layover. So I hope you stay tuned and that you subscribe to the channel so you can check out that video as we're going to take a full city tour. But for now, we're going to have some local Indian cuisine, have a beautiful view of the city, and I am going to give my final review of all of this experience and adventure here at the Philippines at the very end of the video. So stay tuned, and I'm hungry, so let's go eat. Legit, we just spent, I gotta say, what, 30 minutes looking at that menu. That was intense. Think of like Cheesecake Factory book. They had so many things to pick from, and most of them I could not even pronounce. So I really went with whatever the waitress recommended. And basically we're gonna have a huge feast. We're gonna have naan, we're going to have proteins, we're gonna have vegetables, we're gonna have rice, we're gonna have drinks. I'm excited, and I'm a little scared.
I'm scared.
You're scared. But we got a corner booth. It's beautiful. This is our last night, and that's it, baby. Philippines is coming to a close. Yeah, so I think this is our first night of like actual fine dining. We're saving it for the last night. I was thinking that, you know, this part of the Philippines was gonna be full of food, but I've just been kind of eating just regular food. This is gonna be quite the feast, for sure. The food is already starting to pile up on the table. Wow. Okay. So the first thing that came out was that sizzling chicken tikka, which is very, very tender. And then I combined two different sauces, a cilantro and a spicy sauce. That's really good. The chicken is so incredibly soft. If you don't like spicy, I would just go straight with this cilantro sauce. It is so good. This other sauce they have, it's a sweet sauce. All right, let's try one of the prongs. And I think for this one, I'm just gonna go straight into the cilantro by itself. Wow. Wow. That is so good. Cooked perfectly. The batter is flavored with like a spice. So good. All right. What's next? Can I try some of that? What type of rice is this?
Saffron rice.
Saffron rice. Very yellow. Put some saffron rice here. It looks so good. Let me just try a little of the rice just by itself. That's good. To me, it's just rice. Need to mix it with something. But yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, what did he get? Oh, what did you get? You got you got, what is that? Mango juice. All right, well, take a sip of it. Take a sip. Go on. Go take a sip. And that looks really good. How is it?
It's good.
Oh, it's so good. All right, and then for my drink, I got a mojito. This is a huge glass. Wow. A lot of mint, lime, some cucumber. Wow. Like this is a big, big glass. Think of a huge water cup. It's much larger than the water cup. Like, wow. All right. Let's check this out. It's a good mojito. Cold, refreshing. I like it. Okay. We have two types of naan here. This one is dripping, dripping with butter. So I'm assuming that this is the garlic. All right, let's try this on. This is what I was smelling. This is what drew me into the restaurant, is just the smell of this fresh naan.
Oh. Good.
Wow. It is so soft, so creamy. Oh man. All right, what's the other naan?
I think that was just butter.
Just regular butter?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is just a regular naan with some butter. Man, it's so soft. It's just perfectly browned. You could just eat this all day. It's so good. Wow. And the food came out incredibly fast. Really fast. And then, what is this dish? Oh my gosh, this is the curry. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy, it's heavy. Okay, this is the curry. I don't know which curry it is, but let's rip off a piece of this naan. I'm dipping in this curry right here. Stop it. That's what I was craving. That's what I was craving. Yeah. Let me tilt this camera down a little bit. It's thick, it's creamy, it's got chunks of chicken in it. This is a feast. This is delicious. All right, let's feast, baby. That meal exceeded my expectations. I really didn't know what to expect because Indian food for me is kind of hit and miss. This was a total hit. That was a lot of food. A lot of food. And the total came out to 4,279 pesos and 80 centavos. That equates to $76.51 USD. At an upscale Indian restaurant on top of a condo hotel high-rise overlooking all of Angeles City from the 16th floor, you're looking at least $300, $400, maybe even $500 back in US. And we got all this, including drinks, for $76.51. I have nothing to complain about. That was outstanding. Of course, if you are a local living here in the Philippines, that's a lot of money. But, you know, coming from the US, if you are here, that is pretty darn cheap. The food was exquisite. 10 out of 10. It was awesome. We need to pack because tomorrow, sadly, we're leaving the Philippines. It's packing time. All right, we're back in the room. It's time to pack. It's time to pack. We gotta get on an airplane tomorrow, right? Pack all this stuff up. And we are heading back home tomorrow. Our time in the Philippines has come, sadly, to an end. But what an adventure this was. We packed in a lot of things. From the moment we got here and meeting with family, getting to explore the origins of where my wife was born, actually getting to see the house that she and her sister and her mom and dad grew up in was special. I'm glad that she got to come back and relive those moments down memory lane. And I'm glad that I got to make some new memories, as well as my son, to see where his mom came from. Hopefully he'll remember it, since he's only 5, but I think he will. We had some good food. Surprisingly, the best food that I had was the meal that we just ate, which was the Indian cuisine, rated one of the best in all of Angeles. which I really can't complain and argue with. It really was delicious. We took a trip over to Boracay, spent 4 days relaxing and enjoying the beach. We took a boat ride. I came back here and did some more adventure. We went on an off-road trip. Got to relax in some natural hot springs. Got buried in sand. Got put mud on us. That was awesome. Did some horseback riding. Got to reminisce in the old Clark Air Force Base, which was so important during World War II, and the effects, long-lasting effects, that the United States military had here in this region and continues to have as they grow Clark and build all of that land, and seeing the ghosts of once was back in World War II. The people here in the Philippines are amazing. They are kind. They are hardworking. They think of others before they think of themselves. And I think there's a lot of takeaways that we can really take in from visiting other cultures, going to different countries, and learning all of the things that they do right that maybe we could learn a lesson from. You don't have to be rich to go out and experience other cultures. In the United States of America, we are a melting pot of cultures. If you can get out and see other lands, by all means, do so. Experience the culture, experience the kindness, experience the people and the love of other places, and get out beyond your shell. The Philippines, I will miss. There are many, many other places that I definitely want to venture out to, but I have learned so much about their people and about their love and about humanity. I've learned that we take a lot of things for granted in the United States. Everything is given to us on a silver platter just because of the freedoms that we have. And that has nothing to do with whether you make a lot or a little, or how much money is in your bank account. You have so many freedoms in the United States that so many other places don't have. Don't take those freedoms for granted. Tomorrow is a big day. We are going to Taiwan, and we are going to be exploring the entire city of Taipei. I hope you will join me. I am excited for that video, so make sure you are subscribed with the bell notification icon turned on so you don't miss the future uploads. We're not done yet. We may be done with the Philippines, but we are far from over yet. Make sure you go down in the description. I put a link to the playlist Philippines, where you will find all of the videos from this adventure, and I will hope you join me on the ones yet to come. Salamat po. Take care of yourselves, and of course, each other. Blessings from the Philippines. Peace.